Okay. Third room. Medyo makita yung third room. Pero siguro ito sa mga maliliit na bata. Same view. Okay. Ito yung pinaka living room natin at meron tayong spacious na balcony. So, ito yung access papunta sa Ortigas. Okay. This is the fourth room. Okay. Ang master bedroom. So, laki na guys, no? Pero sa sariling balcony, may sarili siyang walk-in closet. Yung toilet and bath na mayroong jacuzzi. Ayan. Okay. So, this is the fourth room. Actually, mayroon pa siyang fifth room, maid's room. So, ito yung